Hi there, I'm Ted Griffiths and welcome to SAP Basic Training. In this tutorial, we will look at how to add favorites in the SAP GUI environment. Favorites are shortcuts to your most frequently used functions. You can add and delete them in any way that suits you without affecting the user menu or the SAP standard menu. Favorites allow you to get to those functions you use most often without having to navigate through the tree list or enter transaction codes. So let's see how we can add the detailed transaction report to My Favorites. Expand the tree list and select the detailed transaction report. Then you can either click the Add to Favorites button on the toolbar. From the Favorites menu, select Add. Right-click on the selected item and select Add to Favorites from the drop-down list. If you're someone who prefers a keyboard shortcut, you can use Ctrl, Shift and F6, or you can use Alt and F and then A. There, it's in My Favorites folder. Now all I have to do is double-click this transaction to open it. No more searching for it in the tree list or trying to remember the code. Another way to create a favorite is easier as long as you know the code you wish to add. This time, let's add the summary statement to My Favorites. Right-click on the Favorites folder and choose the Insert Transaction option from the drop-down list. Type the code for the report in the Transaction Code field. In this case, it is ZSTM. Once you are happy you have entered the correct code, just press Enter. The report has now been added to My Favorites list. It pays to keep your favorites up to date, so be sure to add and delete them as your responsibilities change or expand. So that completes our look at favorites in SAP. Join me for further tutorials that explore SAP basic functions.